Hello and welcome to our lecture aimed to show how to get Ether in Ringkeeper test network. I hope you have already created an account in MetaMask so you can proceed. What is actually Ether? Ether is a necessary element, a fuel for operating the distributed application platform Ethereum. It is a form of payment made by the clients of the platform to the machines executing the requested operations. To put it in another way, Ether is an incentive ensuring that developers write quality application. Wasteful code costs more, and that the network remains healthy. People are compensated for their contributed resources. You can read more on ethereum.org/ether. In order to get Ether, you need to use so-called